Couple of white together, stay together. Hindi ko alam. Because there's two of us, so he scratch. Because there's two of us, so he scratch. Normally he never scratch here. Huh? I didn't say that. Well, if you're not in the middle, my friend. Was he in no seat? Oh no. Don't speak English. Huh?
No left turn po tayo.
No left?
No.
I'm sorry. I thought it was. Huh?
License.
License. No left turn there?
Yeah.
Sorry, Kuya. Oh. I don't know, he. Okay. Thank you, Kuya. Sorry. I just didn't know. I'm not playing dumb with him. Thank you, guys. I need to fix my mirror. Yeah, fuck. No left turn, guys. Next time you come here, you know. Oh, GFX. Faster, huh? What bike is that? Nice. Sorry, I'm going there. I was confused, she's so beautiful, that's why. Have a good day.
Bye, thanks, sir.
Bullshit. Last time I turned straight, that's why I didn't realize I need to turn right after. I really hate when people do that. I don't get it, you know. The T-Max? Wow. First time I saw one in the Philippines. I was dreaming about this when I was a kid, having a T-Max. It's a Russie. Russie!
on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my